Today's topic for discussion is types of palmately compound leaf. Let us see what is palmately compound leaf first. That is the leaflets or pinnae that arise from the tip region of rachis of palmately compound leaf. The rachis is highly reduced. It is never seen. The leaflets or pinnae originate from a single point, that is from the top of the petiole. This is the palmately compound leaf. Now let us see the types of palmately compound leaf which are made on the basis of number of leaflets. These are the types of palmately compound leaf, that is unifoliate leaf. Uni means one. Bifoliate leaf, trifoliate leaf, quadrifoliate, pentafoliate, multifoliate, parvifoliate, palmately compound leaf. These are the types of palmately compound leaf. Let us see. Unifoliate leaf. Unifoliate palmately compound leaf. The term used for palmately compound leaf which is having single leaflet. In case of citrus plant, a single leaflet originated from top of the petiole which is modified to wing-like structure. That leaf it is described as unifoliate leaf. Okay. Next, bifoliate leaf. The term used for palmately compound leaf which is having two leaflets. From the top of the petiole only two leaflets are originated. This type of leaf it is described as bifoliate. Next, trifoliate. The term used for palmately compound leaf which is having three leaflets. Here three leaflets originated from the topmost region of the leaf petiole. Such leaf is termed as trifoliate. Next, quadrifoliate. The term used for palmately compound leaf which is having four leaflets. The leaflets originated from a single origin, especially from the apex of the leaf petiole, and which are four in number. The leaf is termed as quadrifoliate. Next, pentafoliate. Penta means five. The term used for palmately compound leaf which is having five leaflets. The leaflets originated from a single origin, especially from the apex of the leaf petiole, which are five in number, and this type of leaf is described as pentafoliate leaf. Next, this is multifoliate leaf. The term used for palmately compound leaf which is having many leaflets, more than five leaflets originated from a single point, that is from the top of the petiole and spread like a palm. Such leaf is very common, that is called multifoliate leaf. Such type of leaf occurs in many ornamental plants. Next, one more type, that is parvifoliate leaf. The plant having leaves which are smaller in relation to its stem, it is termed as parvifoliate. Okay. Next, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.